in the night, praying for the day. Cries of frightened children echoed in the night. Empty city sidewalks through shadows on a flight. So come down from your altar call, open your eyes and see. Listen to the crying of a child. Anyone who has seen her could tell that she's gone. She left in the night time, searching for the dawn. Don't fly into the wind, you're a broken winged bird. Fly into the sunrise, rest in the warmth. You find yourself in a new day, learning to smile again. You never thought that it would be this easy to call someone your friend. He picked you up and held you, then turned you